Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use coupons on your Shein account. Now first of all, make sure that you're connected with a good internet connection. Now let us get started. So first you need to head towards your web browser in order to log in. So on top there is a search bar, so enter the link that is www.shein.com. And don't worry about the link, I will leave the link on the description box as well. Now here, as you can see, that I've landed inside a profile page, which means that I'm already logged in. Now in order to use my coupons, so first of all I need to check if I have received any coupons or not. So in order to do that, on the same page, move towards the upper right corner, and right on top there is a user ID, so double tap it. Now on the other page you will land inside my account or personal center. Now on the same page down there you can see coupon. So now in order to check if you have received any coupons or not, so just tap on it. Now as soon as I tap on the coupons, now on the other page there you can see unused coupon. So which means that these are all the coupons that I've not used. So now in order to use these coupons, all you need to remember is the code. So now here you can see that I've received at least 4 coupons. Now in order to use any one of these, so I need to remember the code. So for now I will copy the code. So now as you have copied the code, or you just remember the code, so now you have to apply these coupons on one of your products. So for that you need to order some product. So for example, I'll go with the clothing. Now as soon as I tap on the clothing, down there you can see a different category of clothing. Now from here you need to select the clothing that you like or you want to order. Now I'll go with the first one. So in order to use my coupon, so first of all I need to order. And I hope that you know how to order from Shein. Now in case if you don't know how to order from Shein, you can always check out my videos. I will leave the link on the description box as well. Now I've added my product on add to bag. And here as you can see that my product is right here. So in order to apply coupon or in order to use coupon, so I need to tap on checkout securely now, which is on the right side. Now here as you can see that my shipping address is already entered, so that means that I don't have to enter any of the information or my address. So now on the right side there you can see order summary. So down there you can see a grand total, which means the amount that you have to pay. So right now there you can see your grand total is $72.89. So down there on the second step there is coupon code. Now as I've already mentioned before that you have to remember your coupon code. So enter the coupon code. And once you're done entering your coupon code, you have to tap on apply. Now down there as you can see there is an update that says coupon code applied successfully, which means that this coupon code is valid. And also on top there you can see that your grand total has been decreased, which means that you have to pay less. So coupon basically provides you a discount on your product. And this is how you can use your coupon on Shein account. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.